Hi there, students. To amalgamate, a verb. Amalgamated, an adjective. The amalgamation of two things. Okay, so if you amalgamate two things, you join them together, you make them into one. But most commonly, almost always, we use this verb to amalgamate to talk about the joining of two organizations. So these two schools were amalgamated into one school in the 1980s. The two towns grew into each other, and eventually they amalgamated to become Brighton and Hove, for example. Okay, so particularly with this verb to amalgamate, it's talking about the joining of separate organizations, the joining of separate groups. Okay, so they have amalgamated the airport with the train station and the bus station and the underground to make a transport hub. Very often the various different unions are amalgamated to go together. Okay, they are joined together to make a bigger union. You amalgamate into one thing into another. So the various offices will be amalgamated and all do the same thing. The sales and the marketing department of this company are going to be amalgamated, are going to be joined together as one. This restaurant amalgamates the best of Asian cooking with traditional British ingredients. Yeah, or this the art produced by this artist amalgamates a traditional style with the use of new technology, joining or combining things together. But mostly it's the joining of offices, the joining of groups of people, the amalgamation, yeah, to combine into a united or an integrated whole. Now, let's see, we could have an amalgam. An amalgam is an alloy of a metal and mercury. Very often they use mercury to get various metals out of different things, and very often they use an amalgam to do this. Okay, an amalgam is a mixture of a metal and mercury. Okay, but to amalgamate, to join together, amalgamated, coalesced, united, combined. Okay, so yeah, amalgamation is normally talking about two different groups of things joining together to become one. The two football teams amalgamated, and like that they were both able to continue. Yeah, they merged, they united, they became integrated. Yeah, they combined. Okay, so amalgamated. It's a reasonably formal word. I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. I think this I would use mostly in a business context where you amalgamate various different things. You join them together. And then as to origin, well, we've got amalgamatus in medieval Latin, amalgam, or amalgam in Latin as well. It's got the idea of putting things together. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Amalgamate. An amalgam. Amalgamated. Amalgamation.